Veracia SA aesthetic denture teeth from Shofu. While new to the American market, have a noble history. A Kyoto, Japan ceramics maker, Kajo Shofu III, formed in 1919 a porcelain teeth research center and created Japan's first high-quality porcelain teeth in 1922. Japan has a long history of innovation in denture teeth. Prosthetic teeth made of wood and ivory originated in Japan. The oldest known set belonged to a Buddhist nun who died in 1538. Eventually, wooden-based prosthetic teeth fell out of favor in the 18th century and were replaced by the development of acrylic resin-based and metal-based teeth. One of the replacement products was a vulcanized rubber denture foundation developed by Goodyear and brought to Japan. From 1922 to 1938, Shofu created a number of denture teeth based on vulcanite works. In 1945, Shofu introduced its first resin-based denture teeth. Today, Shofu remains the Japanese standard for artificial denture teeth, manufacturing porcelain, acrylic, and composite-based teeth while setting new standards in manufacturing excellence and innovations. Veracia SA is a semi-anatomical denture tooth for full and partial dentures and implant-supported dentures. It is a 3-layer tooth consisting of an enamel and dentin layer with microfilled hybrid composite reinforced with layered glass and a 3rd layer of acrylic resin material. Veracia SA aesthetic denture teeth consist of microfilled hybrid composite reinforced with layered glass. This very homogeneous structure achieves excellent physical properties and outstanding void-free consistency. Each unique component enhances the material use in an ideal denture material. This unique microfiller made by hybridizing resin and microparticle silica imparts high wear resistance, hardness, and flexural strength on the finished tooth. This organic filler, PMMA, an acrylic component, provides a strong bond between the enamel dentin layers and the denture-based resin while reducing the possibility of discoloration on labial cervical areas. A specially formulated acrylic urethane component matrix provides high stain and discoloration resistance to the denture tooth. Both the anterior and posterior teeth consist of 3 layers. The dentin and enamel layer consist of a homogeneous matrix, which provides excellent physical properties as well as highly polished aesthetics. As the graph indicates, the previously described blends of organic and inorganic materials for Veracia SA were designed to optimize physical properties and wear characteristic in the oral environment. To provide excellent clinical results, the physical properties must be balanced to provide long-term results. In a 2-year clinical study of Veracia SA, the denture teeth exhibited excellent wear resistance, high hardness, and a strong chemical bond to denture-based materials and high resistance to discoloration. This clinical evaluation was completed at the University of Dusseldorf Hospital's Department of Prosthodontics in January of 2009. Veracia SA is a semi-anatomical denture tooth for full and partial dentures and implant-supported dentures. It is a 3-layer tooth consisting of an enamel and dentin layer with microfilled hybrid composite reinforced with layered glass and a 3rd layer of acrylic resin material. To speed setup, Shofu has invented a revolutionary tooth placement system called the Q3 pack, which allows the simultaneous setup of up to 4 individual posterior teeth. The Q3 pack has a built-in curve of SPI. The facial surfaces of the multi-layered anteriors were designed with surface characterizations that reflect light, giving the teeth depth of color, lifelike opalescence, and the 3D appearance of natural teeth. These semi-anatomical teeth have built-in abrasion zones to ease setup and enhance the chewing function. To aid food removal during the chewing cycle, Veracia SA have built-in free intercuspal spaces. The selection of either balanced or lingualized occlusion is accomplished easily and accurately. By simply tipping the upper buccal cusp, your desired occlusal concept is achieved. First 2 layers of Veracia SA teeth are a composite matrix, while the 3rd layer is composed of acrylic resin for chemical bonding to the denture-based material. To speed setup, Shofu has invented a revolutionary tooth placement system called the Q3 pack, which allows the simultaneous setup of up to 4 individual posterior teeth. This system enables even less experienced denture technicians to expertly complete the denture setup process. The visible horizontal line on the top of the Q3 pack aligns the teeth over the alveolar ridge. Further, the Q3 pack has a unique mesial notch to aid placement to the distal of the canine. After the anterior upper and lowers are set and the wax walls prepared, place the notch of the selected Q3 pack mesally to set the canine tooth, and align it distally to the retromolar pad along the alveolar ridge. Set the other side of the posterior teeth and use the grip checks as a template for proper horizontal alignment with the predetermined chewing level. Wax the teeth in firmly. We now have confirmed the proper alignment of the teeth on the alveolar ridge, the curve of Spee and the curve of Wilson. A little bit of pressure down on the grips lingually releases the posterior teeth set up. Finally, close the interdental spaces with wax and proceed to setting up the upper posterior teeth using the waxed-in lowers as a guide. The completed wax lower case is ready for processing with a confirmed curve of Spee, curve of Wilson, and proper alignment on the alveolar ridge. Veracia SA aesthetic anterior teeth are a semi-anatomical denture tooth for full and partial dentures and implant-supported dentures. The facial surfaces of the anterior were designed with surface structures, which reflect light, giving the appearance of natural teeth. The naturally tapered dental papilla space reflects age-appropriate dentition and can be adjusted to enhance case requirements. The multi-layered anterior teeth provide depth of color, lifelike opalescence, and natural 3D appearance, which enhance the aesthetics. The canine teeth have been adjusted to a functional shape, to approximate age-appropriate appearance, and to stabilize the denture. The lower anterior teeth have been designed to accommodate vertical and horizontal overbites. The Veracia SA anteriors are available in small, medium, and large teeth in the most popular square tapering, and ovoid molds, corresponding to natural teeth in design, function, and aesthetics. Veracia SA posterior teeth development is based on fully anatomical teeth. By maintaining functional characteristics of fully anatomical teeth and creating precise abrasion zones, Veracia SA teeth creates improved chewing performance, patient wear comfort, and lower levels of stress on the TMJ. As this picture shows, the occlusal surfaces of Veracia SA posteriors were systematically augmented to concave spaces in the functional direction of the lower jaw movement. The centric stops of fully anatomical teeth were left in place. This unique feature provides the ideal situation for all occlusal schemes and reduces the need for grinding corrections after setup. As demonstrated by this chart, the pre-abraded facets make occlusion easy for patients during lateral excursion, medial excursion, protrusion, and to find static occlusion without any grinding adjustments. To aid food removal during the chewing cycle, Veracia SA teeth have built-in free intercuspal spaces. This unique functional design allows the teeth to virtually set up by themselves. Whether you want your teeth set up in balanced or lingualized occlusion, simply tipping the buccal cusp will achieve the desired occlusion. To enhance bonding to the denture base material, a diatoric hole has been drilled into the bottom to provide mechanical retention. The first two layers of Veracia SA teeth are a composite matrix, while the third layer is composed of acrylic resin for chemical bonding to the denture base material.